Hello guys, hello. Let me just check. We are live or not. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, we are live. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Actually, we are today going live early because I will begin from how to create Google Ads account. Okay, who was unable to do it in last yesterday's session, basically. No, Ruben, we have one more lecture to go. Coming Saturday is going to be the last session. How are you doing, guys? How was your assignment, which I've give? How many of you able to complete your assignment? I know a couple of you did submitted. Not submitted, I would say, was ready yesterday itself. There is nothing called mobile SEO, Mohammed. It's just a SEO. Okay. You need to have is a good mobile friendly website. Okay. You need to implement this HTML5 on your website. Right, just let me know if I'm audible, the video is clear, the audio is clear. It's okay, Deepak. What you can do is you have two options. Either you can stop this video now and go back to your yesterday session, watch the entire, and then come back here and watch this one. Or you can watch this continue, and then after today's stream, you can watch yesterday's session. It's not a problem. Okay, guys, right now there are some 20 people online. I just want you to log into your Google Ads account, and we're gonna start with our today's topic, Google Ads. Good evening, guys. We'll talk about it later, Mohammed. How to avoid is not avoid. You just need to comply with Google policy. Make sure you're not using any trademark terms in a Google Ads. You're not violating their policy by doing any mistakes by adding some trademark terms in your ads, in your keywords. Same thing on your landing pages. Any adding of special characters, anything such will definitely lead to disapproval. Okay. Why are we facing this difficulty, man? There is the link in the description. You can open that link and you should be okay with that. I mean, It's a basic Google form in the description there. Fill your details and then you just simply upload your Word doc. If you're referring to yesterday's assignment, you can do that. And likewise also when so there is a form and there is this box where you can attach. You can attach Word file, Notepad, screenshot, whichever the case is. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You can able to do that. Guys, my screen is clear enough. It's clear now. We'll begin from that particular point. Okay. All right. All right. I got your question, Rahul. I got your question. We'll begin from that point. Okay. What I'll do is instead of sharing this one, I'll just share my screen of Google Ads, and we'll quickly go about setting up your ad. Okay, not the ad, but the Google account. Okay, check. So right now, whoever are watching it and has this problem where they are unable to see expert button, log into your Google Ads account, and you should see this particular screen, and then I'll start how to go about it. Those of you made it to the this particular screen to the expert mode yesterday's session, go right now and just mark your attendance. Okay. Hello, hello. Log into your Google Ads account. You should be seeing this particular screen, specifically to those people who are unable to reach to the expert mode screen. Quickly log in the next 2 minutes. I will start. Okay. And I'll just walk you through how to reach to the expert mode screen and then we'll go about and continue our today's session. Okay. Not today though, because I was haven't word with the team. But yes, today I will discuss once stream gets complete, and then I will just announce to stay updated on this community forum on Let's Upgrade. Okay, there we will announce the exam date. Okay, I'll just tell you tentatively what we are planning. Uh, so 12th of Saturday we would be having a final session. So we are kind of planning to have on 16th of Saturday. Sorry, 16th September on Wednesday. Sorry. Okay, guys, so I'm starting now and I'll just show you how to reach to the expert mode. Okay, and then we'll begin and I'll continue our session. All right, so first, watch this, all the steps, what I'm doing, and then you will do. Okay, okay, so I'm starting it now. So, upon landing, upon login, you should be reaching to this particular screen. Here, I will click this option, get more website sales or sign up. Rather, there's this button switch to export you could see here, but some of you did complain in yesterday's session that we are not seeing this option. For them, click this particular button, which is says website sales and sign up. Next. So I'll tell you what this does is now Google is telling you to give all the info, and then Google will run your campaign. Run in terms of optimize the campaign rather. Okay. Upon clicking on the second step, which is website or call, whichever that you're selecting, I would recommend you click on the website. You just need to write your business name and then you're gonna write your website. Okay. Next, you can completely make this up. Any website, just test.com or ABC or whatever. Leave all this as it is. Do not do anything on this particular screen, on this particular part. Let it be India. Just next. Let it be by default this keyword selected. Do not select any of these keyword also. Just click next. Ads, it's already ready here. No need to do anything at this point. Just click next. So again, I'm saying this is particular is a smart campaign. So Google is actually helping you to optimize your campaign. Okay. Budget they are saying, and so enter your own budget. Okay. Whatever it says, the minimum is 33. Okay. Currency is any Indian rupees because IP address catches. So yeah. Next. So you are just seeing it. I'm not doing actually anything. I'm just clicking on next, next, next to get past this particular section. It's all cool. Just click on next. This is very, very important, guys. Pay close attention on this point. India, this country, okay, whatever country that you select here, time zone. Now, fortunately, India has a one time zone, but if you are running campaign for US, then you have about 7 different time zones, the same country. Same thing with Australia, same thing with New Zealand and other countries as well. So make sure you're selecting an appropriate country and then the time zone. Because once you set this, you cannot change this. You could be in India and running a campaign for a US account. If you really ensure that you're selecting here from drop down US and then according to the time zone. Because once this is set, you cannot change this. Then account type on the click on the pencil icon instead of business, select individual. That's all you have to do. Okay. Here automatic payments. We don't want to do automatic. We will recharge by itself. Okay, we'll go and add the budget, add the amount, refill the account. So I wanted to menu here. Just entering any amount here. An option. See you are entering this Google Pay. Right. Okay. Everything is fine. This point. Click submit. This is the last thing. Screen will pop up. We just need to cross this. Close this pop up. I'll show you here. Cross. Click on this cross button. You're done. Explore your campaign. Once you reach to this particular part, the settings here, this tool icon, the wrench icon, you will see this switch to expert mode. Here, here, click on switch to expert mode. Right now I'm stopping at this point and I'm just seeing the chat. I want you to all do this. Whoever didn't able to reach to the expert mode. Who has already reached, just wait for another 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll start. Okay? This is for those people who haven't reached to expert mode screen. Once you reach to this screen, click here and then click on switch to expert mode. Okay? I'm seeing the live chat and yeah. No, no, this is not for those people who already made it to the expert screen. This is only for those people who will not finding this particular option. Only for them. Okay. Uh, Recap tree, I'll explain you that part later on, or you just tag me in the Let's Upgrade community group on digital marketing group with the screenshot, and I will answer your question. It does not charge me. When that screen appears, no charge money, you will see the X button. Click there, and that's all. Then you will land to this particular screen. This is 4/7. The next 3 minutes will start today's session. Okay. So guys, quickly goes to your AdWords account and perform these steps. All you have to do is click on the next. That's all. And by the way, this is a smart campaign. Okay. Now there are many people, okay, in India as well as in abroad. They do this. They do not hire any agency to do on their behalf. Neither they are that equipped to do it by themselves. That's why Google is giving this option. Yes, at the first place you will see this kind of overwhelming to see all these options, but it's completely fine. It's really Google is giving a very nice service here. Okay, by providing this export service. Guys who are joining it now, there are now 65 people now. Just go and mark your attendance. It's 4:08. By 4:10, 4:12, the next 3 to 4 minutes, we'll start our session. Okay. So until then, just go and mark your attendance. No, Prima, already have answered your question. No need to go back. You just need to log in and you would be on expert screen only. Do not go back unless you want to explore this. Okay. But certainly, I do not want you to do it right now. Okay. Just stay there on the export screen. That's all. It's only for those people who didn't made it in yesterday's session. Last 3 minutes, whoever are doing this activity to reach the expert mode, the submission date is anyway okay Thursday. See, it's a very small thing, Aditya. It's a very small thing. IDA assignment. You just go about writing it today, and I'm very certain it will be done in next 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, once you start doing it. SR, you came at payment particular page. There you will see the all the options: debit card, credit card options. Select the wallet, which is Google Pay. Click there. The pop-up will come. On the pop-up, you will see top left corner X button, the cross button. Click there, and then you will reach to this particular screen. Your Google Business account being suspended. I'm sure you must have got an email, Mustafa, from Google Business team itself. Check your Gmail, or again go back to log into your Google Business account. You will see something, there's some message. Why? What particular element which led to this approval? Google AdWords is a big part of SEM. In SEM, search engine marketing, there are main two such big giants. Okay, utilized by masses, which is Google and Bing. There is Yandex, there is Baidu, there are others, but the major share it is Google and Bing, and will learn the Google. Okay, if you know Google very well, Bing is very easy. So pretty much same thing. It's kind of a lookalike of Google Ads interface. The Bing is. Yeah, Miss Total. If you write in that particular sequence, the way I explained in yesterday's session is going to be easy for you to do that assignment. Not on billing, you will say ranch option. I'm not on billing right now. If you see my screen, on the billing part, you enter the information of billing, okay, and then all you have to do is select the any of the payment option, debit, credit card, or any of the option, and then you will see that option. Once you select that or any of the option, hit submit. The pop-up will appear. On the pop-up on a top left corner, you will see the X button. Click there. So on a payment screen, you're seeing this option: debit card, credit card, Google Pay, all that. If you just click on that drop down box, okay, just need to click there, select any of the option and hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, it's pretty explanatory, MS Total. It's pretty explanatory. Just submit that button. Pop-up will appear. Once pop-up appears, on the top left, you will see the cross button. Click there. Once you click there, you will reach to this particular screen. Dirta, you have sufficient time. Tuesday is pretty enough. As I said, this assignment which I have said in yesterday's session, it's just about 2 hours task. It's no big deal there, and you can able to complete it. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm going to my account. Whoever reached to this particular screen from smart mode on the settings or wrench button, you will see the export mode. I'm clicking there. This prompt want to stay still in smart mode or switch to export. You will click on switch to expert mode. I'm clicking here and boom, we are here. We are on expert mode. This is what your screen will look like whenever now you log in. Once you switch to the expert mode, then always you will land in expert mode only. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll tell you in today's session as well as in social media, I will not go about in detail, neither will go about optimizing because we have an entire session lined up for that in advanced program. Here I'm just gonna make you familiar with the platform, how it works, the navigation, and the basic stuff. Okay. And we're gonna use the same account which you're creating right now, and then we're gonna go about understanding one by one all the elements. Okay. Guys, let me know how many of you right now on this screen. Some of you may see this screen. I'll just open here. If I click on plus sign, I click on new campaign. Give me a sec. I may see this screen. Either you will see this screen, whoever already in expert mode and logged in, okay, or if I hit cancel here, you would be in a this screen. So just let me know which screen are you in. Are you in the same interface as I'm right now, or you are into selecting option in export mode? This particular screen is called a camping screen. This is what a technical word is. Okay. So if you're on this screen, just you can say the camping page. Okay. Some of you already cast your answer, so it's fine. But this is called a camping screen. The other one which I just showed you was a selecting option. So no worry, we again go to the selecting option only as a part of a process. So whoever are on that page, stay there. Okay, we're gonna anyway gonna go from that particular the sequence only. So one I can't you can't reach today yesterday. I don't know why. Again, go log off and log in. You should be landing on this expert mode only. And if not, then the process which I just showed you, do the same stuff, and you're going to be on the camping screen, or you're gonna be on the selecting option. Okay. Yeah, Rachel, anyway, we would be going to that particular screen only, the new campaign. Okay, we're gonna go on that screen only. So whoever right now on a new campaign screen with the options will go to that screen only. So just stay there. Don't get panic. You're on a camping page, so it should not ask you the text information if you're in the same screen. Text info is in different place. Okay, last 2 minutes, and then I'll explain you the bit, the glossaries of Google Ads and the basic theory stuff. Just takes about 3 4 minutes, and then we go about doing this practical. Okay, 16 19, just about next 2 minutes, and we'll start the basic theory. So I want you all to open a notepad. Today, team, after this stream complete, just I will connect with one of your member. Okay, on a call, and then I'll share the doc, the Word doc. Okay, which I'll share with you. The same doc you can upload and you can submit the link in the description section. So viewers can go through that particular doc. Okay, which question, guys? Which Akash? Which what is the question? I'm getting a continue and a back option. What is that continue and back option? So whatever asking Suvarna, just go about selecting those options. Okay, it's very explanatory, and there you will see the next button. You just follow the process. You should be able to reach to the screen where most of us right now on. Okay, it's not that technical. It's very basic. And I don't know where you see the age option. Okay, and if you see that even age option, you can just ignore it and then you just go about clicking next, next, next. So it will ask you to select the location, select the ad and the keywords and all. Do not add anything. It's already appear with the pre-populated data. You just need to click on the next button. Okay. It's asking you submit the URL. Which URL? I don't know because I'm not really checked the form yet. If it is asking any particular URL, then just make it up any URL like abc.com or xyz.com and just go about submitting it if that is possible. Okay. Now, bit theory, just about 5 minutes, and then we start the practical. And then we'll go about from the new camping section. Okay. Okay, guys, now we need to stop your questions for a while, understand the basics of Google Ads, and then we'll go about from the new camping section. Okay. I'm again gonna share my Word doc with you. 1 minute. Here. Just wait and yeah, the screen is visible. Already shared my screen. I'm just waiting until you guys can able to see that, and then uh, we proceed further. A team just looked into this. I've already shared my screen, and this, it should be visible. Just check it from your end as well. Yes, it is. It is. It is. Okay. Is it? You guys able to see it, guys? Okay, you guys are seeing it. Cool. Okay. Basic stuff. Very, very basic. Pay close attention here. Google Ads, or you regard it as a CM, search engine marketing, or a biddable media, it's same. Okay, just a different name that we use. This is intent based, and this Google Ads works on any of these format. Okay, so either it works in keyword, it works in impression, or a view, or it works on all three as well. Depends. Okay, which one that you're going after. Keywords, if you are the ads that you're seeing on Google search page, those are the text ads, which works on keywords. There you're bidding on keywords, and then your ad appears. Okay, you get charged on click basis. That's called CPC, cost per click. So the text ad that you're seeing it, as you see here, this search ad, this is called. Okay, or a text ad. The technical word is a search ad. This works on keywords. So this Google is obviously bidding on this particular term. You're going to prepare the list of keywords which you want your ad to appear on Google search whenever somebody conducts a search. Okay. Here, if I click, Google will get charged. Okay. I mean, the advertiser basically will get charged on click basis. That's why we call it cost per click. Okay. CPC. Second, impression. Or we are saying cost per thousand impression. I have written here as well. The display ads on a website, you're seeing all these ads. Okay, they have taken this Google AdSense program to monetize their website. Okay, and the ads that you're seeing there, that is display ads. Okay, and that is on CPM basis. So on every thousand impression, advertiser is getting charged. Say my CPM bid is 1 rupees. I've got 2000 impression, which means I got charged 2 rupees. Okay, 1 rupee per thousand impression. If my 1 rupees is my CPM bid, okay. So display ad is works on impression. Views, video ads works on views or cost per view. You will get charged per views there. Here you will get charged per thousand impression. And on this kind of ad, which is a search ad, which is majority of advertisers using either this or a product listing ad. If you remember yesterday's example, the tiffin box example, the ad along with the image which you were seeing it, that is product listing ads. Okay, so product listing ads or a search ad works on keyword and you get charged on click basis. The full form is cost per click, which is CPC. So search ads and product listing ads works on CPC. Display ad works on CPM, which is cost per thousand impression, and video ads works on cost per view. Per view, you're getting charged. Also, there are other methods, but right now we just stick to the very basics. Okay, these are a few terms that we often use. TCPA. So always your client or your colleague always asks what is the CPA that you're managing for this account, which is nothing but the cost per acquisition. How much amount are you spending on Google Ads to acquire one customer. Okay, that customer can give you five different orders. I will not consider those five orders. Okay, those are my conversions. I'm saying how many unique customer I've acquired, and I'm only optimizing my campaign for that. So CPA, okay, target cost per acquisition, yeah, TCPA. Second, if not cost per acquisition, then you will say cost per lead. Per lead, if somebody, so say this ad, assuming there, if I click here on this particular ad, landing on a website, there is a form. Somebody fill that form, and I get one lead. So to get that one lead, how much I'm spending? What is my cost per lead? Okay, that is another term that we use. This one, CTR, click through rate. This always comes in percentage format on scale of 0 to 100. Okay, the kind of benchmark that you should be looking at is between, again depends upon industry to industry, but between, for search ads or for the product listing ads, okay, 5 to 12. Okay, the percentage. It has a formula as well. Now, first, what is click through rate is, say this particular ad. Google Ads got on one impression today, as you speak right now, okay, because I've just tapped Google Ads and this ad appear. One impression, but I have not yet clicked. So they have just have one impression only. I have not clicked. So click through rate is how many clicks I've got upon receiving X number of impressions. Formula for CTR is, just write it here, clicks upon impression into 100. This is very, very important. Many times you will see that you are getting impressions, but you're not getting clicks. Possibly your ad is not that good enough, is not that convincing. So you have to manage your CTR. Okay, you need a more and more number of clicks. Clicks divided by number of impressions. Say I've got 5 clicks. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Yeah. So I've got 5 clicks. Then there is 1,000 impression into 100. That's how I calculate. Sorry. That's how I calculate CTR. But now you not need to do this each time manually. In report, you will automatically get this report in Google Ads. You not need to do this manually by yourself. It's already there. I'll show you one of my live account as well. Okay, so it's already there. You just need to make sure you're getting in, like in context to how many impressions that you're receiving, should be getting good number of clicks. Now this is not a really good example. Like I've got only 5 clicks on 1,000 impressions. Still this is fine if I got 50 clicks on 1,000 impressions. My ads appeared for 1,000 times and I got 50 clicks. Okay, I just need to maintain this particular part. So CTR is this. So this is a very basic glossaries. Okay, the CPC is cost per click, CPM cost per 1,000 impressions, CPV is cost per view. CPC usually if you are running a search ads or a product listing ads, you're doing a CPC getting charged. If you're running a display ads, then you will get charged in impressions on every 1,000 impressions. And if you are running a video ads, you will get charged on cost per view. Okay, and this is the CTR. This is a very basic thing. Let me know if you understood this part. Quickly comment you understood this part and we are proceeding further. So there are Gaurav, different ways for cost per view, which I will explain not to you for that, but everybody I'll explain you. Okay, that I don't just want to get charged if somebody just watch my video and just hit the skip button. No, there are different ways. When we are doing a video ads, I will explain you this part to you all. Okay, right now if I go into technicalities, oh, then it's going to be on different level only that we are discussing. Right now, just understand this particular part. 33 is for nothing. I just set that budget just like that only to get past that smart camping screen and come back to the expert mode. I've not really paid any single penny to Google. Okay. Okay, guys. I just need all of your answer. CPL is a cost per lead. How much you paying to get one lead? Basically, if somebody visit your website upon clicking on Google Ads, filling the form, and how much you paid for that to get that one lead. So you're bidding a 50 rupees, which is your keyword cost. Okay, that is a keyword cost. So if I clicked on your ad on that time, I've got charged 50 rupees, land in your site, and in a first attempt only, I've submitted the form. Okay, actually, how much I paid in that context to get one lead form submitted is 50 rupees. If I've done this activity twice to submit the form and you're paying per click of 50 rupees, then I've paid 100 rupees for one lead form. Okay, this is different at you could say different level that we're gonna talk about here. The bidding part and the cost part. Right now, just understand this much only. Do not go right now more in detail. Impressions is how many time your ad appears. Right now, the Google Ads just got one impression. Okay, I've not really clicked on it. That is the impression. TCPA, which is a cost per acquisition. TCPA, which means how much I'm spending on my Google Ads to acquire a one customer. I'm going to my Google Ads screen, take last two, three questions, and then we are going to do practical. How a content creator namesake YouTube earn money for Google. I don't know, Akash, your question still is not really clear to me. How a content creator on namesake YouTube earn money using Google Ads? See, if you're having a good content on views, you will definitely get a money out of it. You can switch on monetization on YouTube. So whenever somebody placing their ads on your video, you will get paid for that. Okay, and if you're getting more number of views, even YouTube is paying you for that. But Google Ads is kind of different. You could run a Google Ads basically to acquire, not to even acquire, to gain a number of subscribers. Okay. First, I really do not really encourage to buy subscribers. It should be happen through your content only. You shouldn't be buying those things. Like still is okay, but rest you should be purely working on your content part. My question is how one can attract advertiser on his or her platform to beat on. You need to work on your ads if you're doing your Google ads. You can check on the YouTube, Rahul, the criteria for monetization. Sure, why does it taking time once I share my screen to appear for people? Because I've already shared my screen, still it's not appearing. I could see that. Should appear very quickly.
Sir, it's some stream side issue. I've added it.
Just do that because see, I've shared it almost like 3-4 minutes back, and now it's visible. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir, I'll see through it now.
Please do that. Okay, guys. Now we are going to the camping selection part. Those of you are on that particular screen. Okay, just watch that thing. Even others can repeat the entire step along with me. Okay. Yeah, I could see my screen has appeared now. I'm going to my screen now. Now pay close attention. Those of you right now on this screen, you will see this blue button. It's plus sign. You need to click that, and then you will get the option. And from that options, we'll go about. Okay, and create at least one basic campaign today, and then I will walk you through the entire Google Ads platform. Well, I'm planning. I'm not really sure. I would suggest the only assignment for you guys is to just explore the Google Ads platform. Okay, I'm going to my screen now. Okay, now all eyes on your screen. So I'm on this section, the campaign stage. Okay, I'm clicking on plus button, create a new campaign. Click on new campaign. I'm giving you 1 minute, guys. Quickly just do this. Who is on the camping screen? Okay. Others who are on this screen, just wait and then we just select one of the option. Let's say we are selecting right now. Those on this screen, just select this lead here, leads. Then just scroll down. You will see all this option. There is search ads, a display ad, shopping, video. We're now doing smart camping and discovery. Discover something new which has just launched. Later this session, just remind me one of you to explain you discovery. I'll just show you what it is. Okay. Right now we're just learning the search one. And I'll show you how to create a campaign. Basic. I'll click on search. After clicking on search, what I'll do is what our goal is. You need a website visits, phone calls, shop visit, app download, lead form submission. Now do not get confused. Lead form. This is a new extension launched by Google. New as in just still is going to be now some 8-9 months old. Anyway, this extension also. Right now, primarily, I need more website visitor. So more number of website visitor I get, the more number of form submission I get. This is something new. I'll explain in the later part. Okay, right now I'll just click on website visit. This prompts enter a website. You can still leave this blank. Scroll down, click continue. Again, I'll show you what I've just done because I'm not going to repeat again and again. I've on camping screen clicked on plus sign, new camping. On these options, I've selected a lead. I need a more number of lead. Camping type. Right now, I've selected search as a camping type. Goal, I've selected website visits. Leave this part conversion thing. Leave on this part blank. Just click continue. Okay. So right now, I am on this camping creation screen. Chat, just write down if you're on a camping creation screen. I'm just saying your chat now. Okay. By the way, guys, you can just write down the yes as well. Along with just let me know if it is your first time. Just write yes and hyphen first time. I just want to know how many of you are doing for the very first time this camping creation. It's okay, Isha. Take care. You can watch this later on. I am really cannot comment on that. Uh, it's okay. Rest, and then once you're okay, then you watch this video. Okay, it's quite a first time. Is okay. Okay, that's actually cool. Okay, great. Okay, now we just go about creating this one campaign. Okay, okay. One last minute, and then I will just go about creating campaign. First, I will do. You watch it, then you will do. Okay, do not do alongside. Okay, do not do along with me. Otherwise, then you will definitely tend to make some mistake there. I'm showing each and everything, Vanshika. Just hold on. Okay, guys. So now going back to my camping screen. 1 minute. Okay. Now first I will finish this camping setup part. Then I will give you time to do it. Then we'll go to the ad groups, then ads, and then we'll launch. Okay. First I do, then you do it. Okay. Do not do along with me. This is okay. Search goal leads camping name. Just cursor here. Delete it. Just naming it my first camping underscore search. You can name it practically anything that you want. I'm just naming it just for sake of it. Networks here. Uncheck display. Display is a different altogether camping type. Right now we're just learning it search ad. Okay? Not the banner ads, the image ad. Search partner is still okay, but do not mix search ad and display ads ever. Okay? Then this box is done. Second box network is complete. Here you will see show more settings. I'm clicking here. Scroll down. Right now leave this two-part camping URL and dynamic searches, which is totally different. Here, start date and end date. Here, click on drop down. You will see this is my start date is 6th of September today, and I'm running a monthly camping. Okay, so I'll click on this end date. Okay, there. I just set the end date. Once I do this, click here, close this box. That's all I've done here. Okay, and this three thing I just select my end date here. Scroll down. You will see here locations, all countries and territories. India, which is by default because our campaign, our account, not camping, sorry, our account. This account is set to India. That's why you're seeing this option. Enter another location. Here, under location options, if you click, you will see all the different options here. Right now, I will not explain this, but I will just click on people in or regularly in your targeted location. Basic meaning is I want somebody to be physically present in that location. For example, forget even India. I'm just selecting city right now. Just clicked on enter another location here. You can select any city of your choice or wherever that you belong right now. Okay. Say I'm not even in Mumbai. Let's just go for the Maharashtra here. Target. So I'm entering there. This was like this. I've opened this and the target, the second option. People in or regularly in your targeted location, which means when somebody conducts a search, they need to be physically present in that location. Okay, I don't want somebody is in Pune and searching stuff in Maharashtra. I don't want because that's something my business demands that one needs to be physically present. Okay, that's why I purposely clicked here. Okay, done. Close this box. Location is done. Instead of selected India, I'll click on this, enter another location here. You can enter your desired location, you can type, and that's all. Do not click on advanced search. I'll explain it later. This is something different. Okay. Languages, English. You can also select the new language, like say for video thing. Say your video is in Hindi. I'll type Hindi and select that as well. Okay. Audience is there in display camping. Search camping works on keywords. So leave this part as it is. Budget and bidding. Here my budget is, let's take off it 100 rupees. Bidding here on this box. Bottom you will see this blue line. Select bid strategy directly. They will say not recommend, but do not go with this. You do it everything manually. Do not live on automation mode when you just beginning creating your campaign for the very first time. So in bidding box, I've clicked on select bid strategy directly. Clicking here, you will see maximize clicks appears. There is a drop down. Click here. You'll see all this bidding strategy. I'll look for this manual CPC here. That's all. Again, I'm showing you this option. Back to previous one. It will be something like this on the bidding part. I'll click on this blue hyperlink here. Select bidding strategy directly. I click here. This will appear. Drop down. Click on the drop down. The bottom manual CPC. That's all. Once this box is complete, you will see show more settings. Click here. Conversion, that is fine. Schedule. Add schedule. Here you will see this drop down. Click here. This box open. I want to schedule my ad. Okay. Instead of all day, let's just say I want to run my ads on Monday to Friday. Timing, I'm selecting. This is 24 hours clock, guys. This is so my time is say morning 10 uh, to 6. Sorry, so 7 in the evening, so which is 19 uh, here. Okay, so my ad will only run Monday to Friday, 10 to 7. Box. Okay, leave all this blank and then we'll hit save and continue. Right now, do not hit here. Just complete all these tasks. Okay, I'm checking the chat now and then we'll go to the ad group part. Budget, you can just write any random amount. I've just written 100 rupees. Okay. Google AdSense is different. Google AdWords where you're running the ads. Google AdSense is a program that you have taken to monetize your website, which means you're allowing someone to place their ads on your website. Okay, that's Google Ads program. And you need to have certain numbers of daily website visitors to get eligible for AdSense program. Okay. To know more about, just go back, just Google search Google AdSense, and you will get the criteria for same. Once you have done, do not hit save and continue. Just stay there at the bottom. Just comment done. That's all. I will do that. Just give me 1 minute and I'll again repeat quickly all the options. Guys, it's very easy just to read it. It's no rocket science. It's very simple. Just read it and then you will get your answer. Okay. What the field is all about. Okay, what you need to enter in this field. Once you done, just stay at the bottom, okay, which says saves and continue, okay. Guys, 2 minutes more, it's 54, 454, 2 minutes, and then we'll proceeding further. And I will quick you once again, quickly I'll just explain all this quickly and then I'm hitting save and continue button. Okay. Priyansh, in previous session, I have not even talked about all this, what I'm teaching you right now. It's practically okay even if you are beginning from this session. It's fine. It's not in continuation of previous session. Okay. Still, it's your choice. Guys, quickly, last 1 minute to go. I want all your done or a reached or a yes. Until then, I'm just go and once again explain this part. Whoever didn't get it. So here, what I've done is I've just renamed my campaign name networks. I've just unchecked. This was checked. Display network. I've just unchecked this. Okay. I clicked on show more settings. Clicked here. Open this start and end date. Open this box. Clicked here. The drop down and select this next month date. Close this box. Location. It was set to India. I've clicked on enter another location. Here I've typed the location which I wanted to add. I click on the target blue button and then it's here now. Then in location options, just click here. Give us the second option, people in or regularly in your targeted location. To click here because you I want people to physically present at that location when they are seeing my ads. Okay. Languages already it's set to English by default. If you want, you can type your language and then you can enter here Hindi, French, whichever that is your content is. Usually, I use this for the video ads, not for the search ads. Okay, because even in search ad, your ads are in English only. Though the search browser set to the regional language, but still the ad appear in English only. Okay, but if my there's a video, there's a audio. Okay, particularly video audio, which is a ads, and it's content in Hindi, then only I'll select this Hindi or a Marathi, whichever language is. Audience, I'll leave it as it is. Budget right now, just enter the 100. Bidding, your screen will something like this. Click on this bid strategy directly. Clicked here. On this box, I clicked on menu CPC. Done. Add schedule here. I've clicked on Monday to Friday. Set the timing and done. Just 10 to 7. I'm not doing anything here and then I will hit save and continue. Okay, guys, click on save and continue, and then yeah, we'll go about doing the add groups part. So note this point. First, what you have done, I'm just telling you verbally. First, note it down. You have configured the account level. Then you have configured the camping settings. You could see at the top, the camping is checked settings. Now we're in the add group section. Okay, then you're going to be add, and then it's complete. So account one is done. Then each time, whenever you are launching a new camping, you always gonna first set up your camping, then your add groups, and then your ads. Okay, this is the hierarchy, or this is the navigation. Okay, how many of you on this screen? I'm seeing couple of done and reached and yes. Just comment it quickly, and then we are writing the ads. We're not gonna write actually ad. I'm just showing you how to do it. As a part of assignment, you can do create a new camping by yourself. Add rotation is necessary, but right now you skip that part as the way that I've skipped it. Similarly, you also skip it and proceed further. You're showing error in the time zone because your country is set to India, and then you must have selected some other. Just check that part. Or whichever country that you have selected, John, at the account level. And if you're selecting something here otherwise, or something else, it's not, I guess the time zone is something else off. Because even though if you select some other country in account level and you're running ads for some different country, it's still fine. Yeah, and time is earlier than start time. Yeah. Can this be free? What context, Sanam? Yeah, but okay, John. Yeah, I got it. You have selected the end time, then smart time. Cool, guys. So we have, I guess, done on this part. We are proceeding further to the ad groups. Okay. We are on the same screen. You're gonna start a new camping by yourself. That's a part of your assignment. You can set. You're gonna do entire this way and set up your new camping. Okay. Skip it. Any pop-up you're getting, just skip it or click on the X. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going back to my screen, the ad group level, and I'm showing you how to do that. And then you will do it here. Ad group type: standard or dynamic. I'm selecting standard here. What is dynamic? I'll explain it later on. Okay. Dynamic, usually I just say one thing, dynamic we more use it for personalizing your repeat customers, or not even just a customer, even for the matter repeat website visitors. Okay, you must have seen that. Okay, you visited a particular site, you've added a few product in add to cart, and then you abandon. Now in a display ad you're seeing the same stuff, that product ad only, which is a dynamic ads. Okay, so based on their behavior and the pattern, the website, you're showing a personalized ads to them. Right now, it's a first time camping. It's a cold camping. It's not for the remarketing camping. So we are not going to select dynamic. We just set to standard. Ad group one, I'll still name as it is. Nothing, no harm here. Default bid, just set 1 rupees for now. Again, there's a huge maths goes here. The bid part, the budget part. There's a proper calculation. I'll explain you in the program, but not today. Okay, because it will take another 20 25 minutes to explain this entire part. Right now, we just set a default bid, which means if somebody clicks on my ad, I'll get charged a 1 rupee per click. Okay. Keywords. Okay. Do not ask right now what is match types. We have a separate discussion altogether. Right now, say you want to see, say somebody searches these these phrases, or say any of these phrases, you want your ad to appear. If somebody searches ABC, or somebody searches XBY, XYZ, somebody searches 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, anything. I'm just written right now gibberish. You're gonna write actually keyword here. Okay. Say buy red roses or buy blue denim jeans or say digital marketing classes. Actual term. Okay, which you're optimizing for. You're gonna write the term here. Okay. Write one term, then enter, then another term, then so on and so forth. Right now, just enter for sake of it. Here you will enter the keyword. Okay. So when somebody searches on the line of what you have just written here, when you're bidding on that phrase, your ad will appear. Okay. So you're selling a furniture, or say you're selling a dining table, and you have written here a dining table on sale or cheap dining table. And if somebody searches cheap dining table for sale, your ad will appear. So you're adding a keyword here, basically. There's a tool there. I will show you how to generate a keyword because you don't know how to go about it. So I will tell you. Okay, right now just put anything here you feel like. There's also a good option too for keyword idea, but don't explore it right now. We'll explore this later on. Based on your bid and budget, you will see some sort of estimation here. It's okay. Right now we just have one campaign, one ad group. We are not gonna create a new ad group. Here what you just, if you want you can rename it, give it a bid, enter the keyword. After entering the keywords, click save and continue. Once you do it, you will reach to the ad part. Okay, it's your time now to do this exercise and then we'll proceed further. Once you're on a text ad screen, let me know that you're on text ad screen or you're on a create ad screen. Okay, this is the last tab and then we have created one search campaign. Okay, as a part of assignment, I just want you to practice this. Okay, and what you have to submit, I'll tell you that also. Okay, but you have to create a campaign. Once you create a campaign, and you will see the last is confirmation page. Just take a screenshot of that confirmation page and upload it. Okay, so I'll get to know that you have created a new campaign. I just wanted to explore this part. Okay, 3 years so far. I need all your yes to proceed further. Until then, what I'm doing is I'm just writing stuff on this ad section. Okay, whoever already reached, they can start doing it. Just write final URL here. Headline. I'll show you one example here. So this is what they are bidding on. Digital marketing classes. These all companies. This is how the headline looks in a blue. This is the description part. Okay. Here you're gonna write the headline and description is here. You can see the view here. Okay, how it looks. I'm just gonna write test headline 2 test 01. So there is a 3 headline and 2 description. Out of which, okay, you need to at least write 2 headline and 1 description. If not all 3 headlines and all 2 descriptions. Okay, this is also 03. Leave a path right now. I'll explain it later on. Description. We'll see how your ad appears if somebody searches it. Okay, and my ad is finished. Okay, one thing. Let's see how you guys your smartness thing. Can you tell me total character limit of ad of total all headlines and the description? The total character limit, the comments for ads, because that's going to be part of a question and exam, even in Google Ads exam as well as in my exam. What is the total character limit of ads? No, that is not 255 people. Headline must contain the call to action basically. It just should be enough to grab attention. Vanshika, tell me a question. 360 is the wrong answer, Technoboy. 150, by the way, that is a minimum character limit. Make a note of it. Minimum character limit is 150. Maximum, I will tell you. Khushi, Akash, 1000. What you have calculated, say, Ali? 1000. 270, Khushi and Akash are kind of close there. 270. But 150, by the way, that is a minimum character limit for text ad. And by the way, make sure you're writing something in the ad so that we can proceed further and we can able to launch this campaign. Okay. Billing there, na? So you just have to fill the billing stuff, Krima, the one which I've just showed at the beginning of the video. Just fill the stuff there. Just make sure in the accounts there is a pencil sign in the accounts. You will see the business account. You will select an individual account and fill all the billing details. Okay, that's all you have to do. 540 is wrong. Okay, I'm telling you now the final answer. Okay, is 300 maximum limit. 150 is a compulsory. Make a note of it. 150 text at character limit is a compulsory. Okay, and 300 is a maximum. Let's count this. You see here character limit here 30, which is headline 1. Headline 2 30. Headline 3 30. 30 plus 30 plus 30 90. Okay, here 90 is a one description line character limit. Description line 2 is a 90. 180 here you have 90. 15, if you see here, is a path 1 and 15 is a path 2. So if you add this two part, which comes to 300, if you do not add a path which is 270, but I said total. So you can fill your stuff in paths 1 and 2. Okay, you utilizing both the description line and all three headlines. The total character limit is 300. We cannot go 301. You cannot just go and count it. But the minimum requirement is at least you need to write a two headline. Headline needs to be enough so that you can able to grab attention. Okay, two headline here, which appears here, which is of 30-30, which means 60, and one description line, which is 90. So 60 plus 90, 150. 150 is a minimum character limit and the compulsory. Perhaps I would say mandatory. Okay, so you cannot go 149, neither you can go 301. 150 is a mandatory, 300 which is a maximum. Okay, once you are done, you can click here, done. If you want, you can add a new ad by clicking here, or else you can save and continue. Yeah, because you almost, I guess you said 260 for 270, I guess you said. Yeah, cool. People are, you guys are with me, understand the ad part, the ads which you're seeing on Google search, where they are writing those ads, they are writing it in this particular section. Okay, I'm creating one more ad just to show you. So this is done. I'm creating one more ad here. So ideally, you should be having under one ad group, which is this, should have at least two ads. So Google will decide, okay, which ad is getting more number of clicks eventually turns into a lead. Okay, because if somebody clicks on a lead, clicks on your ad, they will land on your website. And after landing on your website, likely they will gonna either purchase something from your website or they will submit the lead form. So it's better you have at least two or three ads. Okay, I'm writing one more, just an example, whoever didn't understand. So here in a final URL, say this is not my final URL, say abc.com forward slash um, this is my specific page. Okay, here I'm writing headline 1, this is my headline 2, headline 3, path. What to write in path? Now, okay, this where this first of all appears, just see here. If I write something here, no, in path, it's appearing here. Okay, so say example, you are selling in insurance. Okay, you can write the term here, insurance. Sorry, I'll write path 2, path 1 life. It will appear something like this. Why you're doing this? Google will see which is a closer to the search query. So your ad, your path, even a description talking about life insurance, likely possible your ad will get position on a higher side, like in top three position. Okay, that's why making most of it your path. You're adding the most vital part, or maybe you can enter a keyword also here. Just make sure you're having only 15 character limit. Okay, I'll show you another live example. The same, I've seen some advertiser have added the path. I'll show you that. Here you see this particular advertiser. You see this xlr.in is the domain. This is not actually the domain. Okay, this is just there's a written digital marketing here, courses and Thane. Okay, so somebody searches so and so digital classes in Thane, they will see their ad. They also have done it. See here, digital and course, and my keyword is also. So basically here, if you give the more information to Google, path also, you'll get good position. Okay. So all said and done, this is done, and click done, save, continue. Since I've already filled the billing part, I'll directly get to the confirmation and then I will land into camping section. Those of you started from that selection option. Okay, you will get the billing screen. Fill the details. The billing screen one, just select any of the options, a debit, credit, or a wallet, and hit the submit button. Pop-up will appear. On the left hand side screen, you will see the X button. Click there. You will be in a camping section. Okay. Another thing, part of the assignment, as I said, you're gonna create a campaign as a part of the assignment. Once you successfully create a campaign, now each time you will reach to this screen, confirmation. Just take a screenshot of this and submit it, which means you have created a one new campaign. Okay, I'm just checking a chat. Here you can hit the continue the campaign. So once you do this, you will reach here. After landing on ad groups, just click Google Ad. You will be an overview screen and stop. Okay, I'm on chat now. You're not getting an ad new option. Once you finish writing your ad, you will see done below there. Click on done. Then you will see to add one more ad. You have landed Kavita on the billing. What to do? Just read what the information they are asking. You're not gonna enter any of your account details. Okay. It shouldn't be showing because I've just entered the full URL, which is www.xyz.com. Just enter www.abc.com or xyz.com. You should be okay. There is illegal character in the string. Just check your website URL. You can create a new Gmail account and you can do it. It's okay. Complete or a print option. Where do you get the complete or print? There is nothing. There's just only confirmation page. First of, just let me know how many of you reached on this screen. Yeah, it explained before only, but still you can just fill all the required details. Okay, and you should be good to go. Let me just do one quick thing. Vajra, what did you ask? I'm continuously seeing the chat. I haven't come across a daily estimate. It is showing that no traffic expected. Check here. It's okay. Ignore that daily traffic thing. It's fine. We are not really even set the keywords properly. We are just understanding the part. Guys, I have just commented the URL. whoever is getting that issue URL thing, just copy that. You just made it up, any business name, right? So John Digital, that's the business name. Okay. Team, just can you write this? I've already commented it, but I'm not seeing on a live chat right now. Just comment this www.abc.com. That's all you have to comment. Just copy that same URL and paste it. After, you need to hit the do not hit anything for that matter on the pop-up that you're seeing Rachel right now. On a top left corner, you should be seeing it, the X button. Click there. Yeah, guys, just copy paste the abc.com URL. If ABC is not working for you, then XYZ. Or you can at best www.google.com. Yep, confirmation screenshot for today's assignment. Once you create a new campaign, do not send this screenshot of what we have just done right now, okay? I want you to create a new campaign and then you should be doing this. Let me quickly go to this billing section. Wait. Yeah, you can. You can add a WordPress site. Yeah, it's fine. I just need to end screen. Okay. Settings. Guys, whoever write down a billing screen, are you seeing this kind of a stuff there? You see Google ID, something like similar, how you pay, and then you will get to the country tax info. You can click always and then unregistered individual. You will just say business or individual. Just select, just tell me. Krima, what you're entering it? What is the illegal characters in your string? Then it shouldn't be the problem if you're entering the same thing. By the way, how many of you successfully completed? For completing billing part, we need a credit card. No need to enter. In the section, the billing section, you will see debit card, credit card, wallet option. Just select the wallet, Google Pay wallet. Then the new screen will appear and just cancel that. Let me just do one quick thing. Let me just go to the add section. Whoever is right now stuck on the billing part, let me just go and show you that quickly. Just give me a second. I will show that later on how to delete it a camping. First, just make sure everybody has completed the camping. Awesome, Rachel. Great. Congrats, by the way, whoever has successfully reached on the overview camping scene. Whoever successfully completed their first very search camping. Great. I'm just doing this particular thing. Whoever has started their journey today from selection until the billing part, I'm just showing them how to proceed further from that particular screen. Just give me a quick second. I'm gonna show you the billing thing real quick. 1 minute. Okay. I'm coming on billing page with another account. Give me a second. And I'll fix that for you guys. I'll show you how to go about it. Right now, just only comment who has successfully completed. For certificate, you need to submit all the assignments on the time. You need to clear your exam, and that's all you need to do. Okay. And to get Google certified, which is going to be there in an advanced thing, that you're gonna give the Google exam, which I'll prepare you for that, for everyone, for that matter. Okay, guys. What I'm doing is I'm just sharing my screen, and I'll begin. Who has started their camping today from this particular screen? Okay. This is for those people who has started their today's camping from this particular screen and right now struggling at the billing level. Okay, hold on there, and I'm just showing you the entire stuff for you. Okay, just hold on there. The exam that already I've said, I'll confirm it as well. What we are planning is on 16th of September, which is Wednesday. Okay, all right. Now watch this very clearly. I'm showing you this. Sorry, real quick. All eyes on the screen who has started their today camping from this screen and stuck right now on building. Search website, then continue. I'll leave it as it is because I'm just showing you. And check here. This all everybody knows. I'm not gonna repeat all these steps. Let it be India. It's all fine. Yes. Budget 100. Mm, Bidding manual CPC, all fine, save and continue. Just make sure you're watching this properly, okay? Let it be 1 rupee. Here, keywords 1. This is supposing this is my keywords which is I am bidding. Ignore this daily estimate because these are not my actual keywords which I am bidding. So this part just ignore it. Then what I've done is I clicked on save and continue. I'm not really clicked here to create a new ad group. Click save and continue. I'm going to create my ads. Here, final URL ubc.com. I'm leaving it as it is. This is also something that's okay. H1, H2, H3. Path is fine. This is optional. Description B1 and B2. Then done. If you want to create a new ad, you can directly click here, done and create next ad or done. Here you also see this option if you want to again create a new ad, again you're getting this chance. If you want to edit this, pencil sign is here, click on the pencil icon, you can edit it. Okay, so ad is done, save and continue. Now we're going to the billing stage. And I have maximum people right now on the same screen. Let the screen load. How many of you are on this particular screen when you're saying you started billing page? How many of you were on this screen or currently you are on this screen? Just comment it real quick because I'm doing it for all you guys who is right now stuck on billing stage. I want all your comments, guys. Are we on the same screen or not? Okay, okay. Quickly, all. I'm giving you 1 more minute, and then I'll show you how to do this. Because I really want to ensure everybody should complete their first campaign today, so that as a part of the assignment, they can able to create one more campaign and submit the screenshot. Okay. This is not for those who already finished their steps. This is only for those who have started the journey today from that selection screen and right now they stuck at billing stage. So if you are on overview screen, which anyway I am on, it's completely fine. However, assignment done, that's great. Those who are finished, they're creating the campaign confirmation page has come, this is not for them. Okay, cool. Now watch this very clearly what I'm doing. Those who stuck at the billing page, India, this is okay. Perfect time zone. Account type. Here is a pencil icon. Click here. You will see that this drop down, then select individual. Okay, here. Automatic payments. Manual. I don't want Google Ads directly bill me once I exceed the threshold, the amount. Okay, I will do that manually here. Payment method, debit card, credit card, all there. You will see all these options. Click on this wallet option. Okay, I'm just making up any address. It's all fine. Mumbai, postcode. Okay. Stop. Guys, select payment method this, enter the address, select manual payment, click on I agree and hit the submit. Okay. Once I hit the submit, this setting up billing will come up and complete the transaction. Should be on this page. Okay. You will say print this page or download or XYZ, blah blah blah. It will receive complete this transaction. You will see the X button. Click on X button. There you go. I hope I made myself very clear now. Okay. Let me go to real quick to my another ad account. Okay, this is here and screen share. Why have to do transaction, Devi? I just showed you. You're not paying anything. On that screen, you just clicked on the X. And then you should be on this page. Now here, left hand side, you will see the navigation. So right now we are on overview screen. So you will see the left hand side on a blue highlighted, you will see overview. That's why on the right hand side you're seeing overview. If you want to see the camping that you have created, from the left hand side navigation, you will click on the campings. On the right hand side, you will see the camping screen. Okay, you're on Explore Your Camping page, Hemant. Click on the Explore Camping, click there. You will be on this screen. Assignment submission link is there in the description. Do not do now. Once stream get complete, you can do it. Guys, comment. I'm waiting for every one of you. Comment this overview screen. Overview screen or a done, whatever. I need your confirmation. In the advance, we're gonna learn each and everything very much in detail. Okay, how to go about creating and fine-tuning your campaign, which you have already created, how to create a new campaign in detail, and the tool icon you see on the right hand side, the wrench option, how to go about one by one and understand the Google Ads structure. You're stuck at the near the page of create ad. Could you okay, sir, I'm stuck at the page of why you stuck at the create ad? What are you seeing at the create ad? You will see the bottom, click on the done, and then you can proceed further. We have guys plan extensive course for you in detail. How to create search ad, display ad, video ads, everything in real detail. Okay. Whoever facing some otherwise issues like string error something, go to the community section of Let's Upgrade, drop that screenshot, and I will guide you. I would be checking all your questions in community section on Let's Upgrade digital marketing group. Uh, I'll start doing it later tonight, and I'll answer your question. For overview, you can go to the campaign here, click on campaigns. Here, you will see your campaign that you have created from left side navigation. This was a smart campaign. Those who have transitioned today from smart to the expert, they will see this campaign and the one which you have just created. And those who have started from all sections, they will only see this one campaign. From this campaign screen, again, you have to click on the plus sign, click on the new campaign, and again create a new campaign as a part of the assignment. Okay. Once you finished that campaign, from left side navigation, click on the Google Ads, come back to campaign. You will see one more created here. Take that screenshot and submit it. Because for the very first time, for a very fresh account, you will see the congrats page. But once your account is ready, you will not see again and again congrats page. Once your campaign is done, ready, left side navigation, sorry, from left side top, click on Google Ads. You will land on the overview. From that, you will see the campaign. Click campaign. Here you will see all the campaign that you have created. So if you're creating a new campaign, once you have done creating that, submit that screenshot, which means that now you understood how to create a campaign. Okay. Priyanshu, if you're seeing some option which is not the same as you are seeing so far in the lecture, take that screenshot, save it, and tag me on the Let's Upgrade community section. Go to the digital marketing group, submit a screenshot. I will answer your question there because really now I cannot really explain you. Okay, neither I would be able to comprehend your actual problem. Only one, Akash, only one screenshot. The one that you've got it now, which is congrats, just because that you've created an account for the first time. Now, as a part of the assignment, you're gonna create a new campaign from the campaign screen. Okay. Parallel congrats screenshot, that is not the one that you've created. That is you've created as a part of the learning process. Now I want you to create a new campaign. So once you create a new campaign, you will reach on this campaign screen. There you will see the second campaign that you have just created. Take that screenshot. Okay. Yes, Sayali, yes. You can really enter any random details, but make sure now you're understanding it what you're putting there. Okay, Krima. Do you putting any gibberish in each of the fields just to get past that to the next and third and fourth stages? But I want you to understand, okay, what this field means. What you're entering it here. Okay. Confirmation page, Akash, you cannot get it now because you have already created your new account. Now you won't be getting it that screen again. Come back to the camping screen, create a new camping. Once you're done that, reach again to the camping screen and take that screenshot. So the last session's deadline was on Tuesday, first half. Still, I'm giving you till 2 p.m. time to submit your AID assignment. For this, you can submit it as early as possible. Max, I'm giving you time till Wednesday. Okay. You can do it even today as well. Once the stream gets complete in next 15-20 minutes, you're almost done. Then you can submit that assignment. You don't need to pay anything, Karthi, Krishna. You don't need to pay anything to the Google right now. We're not really paid anything. I want you to understand how you're creating the campaign, the keyword, the ad section, and the entire process, the ad scheduling part and all. In detail, now we will learn in the advanced program. Okay. In next session, now we just understand the basic of Facebook and the overall social media marketing, which is the last Saturday, and that is the last session. Okay. The last session, which is day 7, is going to be on 12th of September. The exam which I'm planning is on 16th of September on Wednesday. I've already prepared a question, and I'm gonna prepare the questions for last session and today's session. So it's going to be purely coming from what you've learned up till now. Just need to watch all the videos. This Word doc which is there. I'll better be on that Word doc screen. 1 minute. Where is that Word doc? Yeah, yeah. Share screen. I will also share this Word doc with the team. So go to the Word doc, go to the PPT link already there in the description. Word doc link you will definitely get in this video only, this description by today. Okay, I'll just share once this stream get complete. I will just connect with one of the team member, and this Word doc will be there. So go to all the video, go to the Word doc, go through this PPT, and you can able to give the exam. We will gonna have one more exam as well, but we want to make all of you to give exam on Wednesday. Okay, because 12th September we ending our essential program. Okay, on 16th, which is Wednesday, right? I've been confirming. Yes, 16th on Wednesday we want to clear your exam. We would be also having one more retake as well. So we're just planning out. Okay, so I want maximum to give all your exam on Wednesday. All the details we would be assign we would be announcing on the Let's Upgrade community forum, the digital marketing group. Exam format is very simple, guys. There would be fill in the blanks. There would be going to be MCQs, and there are going to be one-liner question. Duration and all, I will just tell you in our last session. Duration particularly, but the exam date, as I said, is going to be fixed on 16th of September, Wednesday. The retake part and all will tell you the later on. Fee for the advance and all will announce it. Even the date for the advance, because I want to even get that as early as possible so you can go about it advance. The next session I'm telling you right now only is going to be on social media. See, the biggest player in digital, in social, is the Facebook, and in search engine is the Google. So this is a very basic which I just showed you today. In next session, we'll just go about basics of social media marketing, and I will walk you through the Facebook audience manager, how it looks. Okay, and that's all. In advance, we'll go and understand each and every social media: LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, all that, even YouTube. And in search engine, Google, an entire detailed program. Okay. Discovery option. Yeah, thanks, Natasha, to reminding me. Take out your phone if you're watching it from the laptop. Let me know if you're seeing my phone. I'm just holding right here. There is no exam fees for essential program. There is only fees for the advanced program. Are you guys seeing my mobile screen? You see this widget which I've entered here. Here, you will see the Google G here. From that widget, click on this. you will see this particular screen here. I'm again showing my screen, guys. Here you will see this screen. This one is the discovery platform. You see the bottom discovery written there? That's where a discovery ad will appear. Screen is on now, guys. Screen is on. Wait. You see discovery there? That's where your discovery ad will appear. Go back to your phone and just watch it. There's going to be some ad. I'll just show right here. You seeing this Google? This is the ad. Uh, yeah, yes. You see, there's a AD written there. That's the Google ad, discovery ad on a Google. Okay, one more time. Yeah. So that's where, yeah, Akash, honor phone that I'm having. So discovery is a just new thing which they are starting. Google right now is here at appear will there. That's more on based off your browsing pattern, your interests. Yeah, I will appear there. I will show you in the advanced one how to go about creating that. Okay. Sir, I just made a single ad, and if I will add a new campaign, only two campaign will show. Is it okay? It's fine. I just need one more campaign. That's the only screenshot that I have to share. Avash, already I don't know when you have joined. I already have the session joined. There's an assignment. You have to create a new campaign and you have to give that screenshot. Campaign screenshot. Again, I'll just show you the last time before we wrap here. Um, 1 minute. Yeah. So once you create a new campaign, you will be on an overview screen here. From the left side navigation, click on the campaign. You will see one more campaign created here. Take this screenshot and upload it, which means that you have created a new campaign. Okay, because congrats screen you will not get. It is only get for the only one time when you're creating a new account. Okay, so this particular screen that you have to submit. Assuming this is my new campaign which I have. Okay, okay. Yes, it is an interest based fee. I don't really get your Piyansh. What is you have submitted a wrong name by mistake at the time of registration. Can I change my name to correct name? Well, the wrong name will print it on my certificate. You can just contact the BTS team. Sorry, Let's Upgrade team on the community forum. Upload that stuff that you wanted to share, maybe screenshot or whatever, and definitely they will assist you on this to change your name or maybe to update your name from the backend. Let's quickly just tell me how did you find this session? You found something interesting today. You liked it. We have done something new today. Google Ads. So in the advanced thing now, we'll understand all sort of ads. Okay, I'll just show you what will be learning it there, so you'll get to know. Just clicking on this new campaign. Irrespective of whatever that you select, sales or whatever. So I'm just selecting sales. You will see all these types. You will understand how to create search campaign in detail. Right now, you just understood basics, very very basic. Okay, I'll tell you how to write your keywords, how to write the ads and all that. Then go about display campaign, the banner ads, shopping ads, video, how to create a content, smart campaigns, discovery the new one, which will you will see discovery ads on YouTube, Gmail, and the discover. Discover the tab which I just showed you on my phone, that is, and it will show on the Gmail and the YouTube. We'll learn each and everything. Okay, about Google Ads as well as the tag manager and the analytics in detail. Okay, so our course will begin from the Google only when we start, and we'll move towards the social media. If you know Google Ads and if you know the Facebook, understanding and learning Facebook, sorry, understanding and learning the other social media as well as Bing is very very easy, because more or less what Google has to offer and what Facebook has to offer in ad platform, all other platform are offering the pretty much same thing. So if you understand these two platforms, Facebook and Google, other platform is going to be very easy to catch on, to understand and to run your ads. So that's something which we would be learning it in depth, in detail. Okay. Soon you will see the syllables on the website. Okay. Just move 5 minutes, and if there is no question, we'll end the session. Okay. The 12th of September, the session is going to be in social media basic, and then we'll understand how the Facebook thing works. Because Facebook and the Google are the biggest player in the digital. That's why we understand in these two first. Okay. Sure, Akash, I will sit at the new place. Thank you, Natasha. Okay, that's my job is to being patient. Uh, just knowing the technicalities will not make me a trainer. I guess more than that, I need to be very, very patient to address all your query first. How to put this camping into actual user website? You just need to add the actual website URL there. Write your proper ads and the keywords, and that's how you launch your campaign and which benefit your website. Basically, to get more visitor traffic on your website. What else certification? So they're going to be certificate from Facebook in the advanced one. So Facebook offers two certificates for FII. FII Facebook certificate. They offer the freeware as well as they offer the paid one. We're gonna go with the free one first. Paid one, once you get employed, then you go over, because company usually kind of sponsors your paid certificate for the Facebook. Okay, so you will be completing your Facebook free certification, and for sure you're gonna complete a Google certification. Okay. I want you to all to get at least Google certified in the advanced program. So when we see, it's going to be an alternate day. So on alternate day, you're gonna give the Google certificate. At least you need to clear two certificates minimum to get Google certified. Okay. So you need to get Google certified and the Facebook certified. So if this two thing is very much in place, you're good in communication, your CV is well designed, you stand a pretty much good chance to have a job in digital space. HubSpot is totally different. HubSpot anyway, they are anyway offering the certification. They're offering all these tutorials and all. HubSpot, see, there are many tools. HubSpot is there. Then there is Social Sprout is there. Hootsuite is there. These all offers different certification. But I would say first be a practitioner, then you go about certification, because HubSpot certificate surely is a plus, but not the mandatory one. Yeah, even SEMrush. But first understand these tools, how it works, put into perspective, put into practice. What basic their demand is, you need to have a good knowledge about digital marketing, how ad work, how social media works, and how this Google works, and how SEO works. So if you know these things, then it's a good thing. It's great, Priyansh, if you're Google certified. Did you copy paste the answer, or you actually gave answer by yourself? Akash, I will help you. No worries. Thank you, Akash. Google offers, see, there are total 26 different certificates. Okay, there is certificate for each type of the campaign. There's certificate for search campaign. There's certificate for mobile campaign. There's certificate for video ads campaign. There's a certificate for shopping ads. There's certificate for Google Analytics. You need to at least give Google Search certificate and Google Display certificate and Analytics. Analytics is of your choice, but minimum any two certificate is required to get certified. And make sure using the same email Gmail ID to give when you're applying a Google certificate exam. Okay. Certification required for the job is, as I said, minimum two certificates from Google. So if you're giving display ad exam, and if you're giving search ad exam, and plus if you're having what do you call it, Google Analytics, it's going to be good combo for you to get a job. That's great, Priyansh, if you cleared your third attempt. Even I gave, when I gave the very first time about 7 years, I guess 8 years ago, I gave my very first exam. I gave it by myself. I didn't really copy paste it from Google and then give the exam. It doesn't make really any sense. So yeah. Guys, time is up. Last 3 minutes is 6:07. By 6:10, we'll finish our session. And yeah, I will help you to get two certificate. I mean, get as in I will make sure you're equipped to give the exam. Okay, it's very easy. Once you understand the platform, how it works. See, exam is all about knowing the platform and how the Google ad work. And if you be very attentive in an advanced program, it would be easy for you to clear your tests. Yes, I would say not 100% possible for everybody to clear an exam at the first attempt, but by second or third, it will be through and will be successfully clear your exam. Okay, can you help to understand how these camping works? I will make you understand how this works. Shoaib, just come online. Yeah, you're there. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Google Ads can just go to the right hand side, top navigation bar. There you will see to sign off. We'll talk all this later on, guys, because anyway it's a 610. I will answer you a couple of your job related query in the last section, in the last session. I'll give about 10 minutes and I'll answer your query there. Job and all. Not a problem. Live camping, I will show you, no problem there. I'll show you live camping in tomorrow. Sorry, Saturday. Either not overview, it's much better if you go to the camping and then for going to the camping tab, take the screenshot. Previously, I've explained the Google Ads and AdSense. Google Ads is where you push your ads, which appears on Google search results. Google AdSense is the plan that you're taking it to monetize your website, which means you're allowing Google to place the ads on your website. And from that, you're making a buck. Good amount, actually. Priyansh, go to the Let's Upgrade community, log in there, create your account. I'm very much active on Let's Upgrade community. You will find page there, digital marketing group. Let me just check right now in the description. Uh, Sure is there in the description. Yes, this is there. Digital marketing group link is there in the description. Just go and click there. Okay, and there you can able to contact me. Cool guys. We'll catch you will on 12th of September, Saturday, same time, and that's going to be the last session of our essential program. And yes, I'm very much excited to meet you all once again in the advanced one for sure. And the exam date, as I said, is going to be 16th of September, Wednesday. Okay. About the retakes and other stuff, will announce on the page. Okay, the community page. So stay tuned to the community page to get all the necessary information. I will share the doc with the team, and then in next 1 or 2 hours, no, on this video itself, you will see that link in the description. This doc link. I'm aware that I will share this doc link. Okay, what doc? Sure. Once the stream over, just connect me on a call. I will share the doc with you so you can upload that link in the description of this video.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, guys, I'm taking your leave now. Take care. We'll connect on the 12th of September. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, guys. Take care.